Right, you've got blue rune circles, burning sun, emerald, portal. Alright, if you'll have seen my videos, burning sun. Alright, click that one, hit accept. There you go. Alright, now you've got the sun looking thing in the middle of your screen. Alright, which is now effectively your map. Okay, go back up to the top. Alright, and you can hit lock minimap, and that's done. Alright, your movers, you can hide them for the time being. We'll come back to them when we're done. So you can hide them, and away they pop. Okay, so we're almost there. In the middle of your screen now, you'll see this faded bar. Alright, you can barely see it at the moment. Alright, what you need to do with this is you can, well, whack it somewhere that's visible on your screen. Alright, maybe here. Alright, maybe there, wherever you want. You can have it wherever you want. Alright, you can freely toggle this around later date. Alright, in the meantime, let's get Omen on the screen so we can move your chat window about. Alright, so you can type /Omen show. I forget the combo, and it helps if I spell it right, doesn't it? So /Omen show. There it is. Right, let's increase the size of this one. There we go. Right, you've got two little bars in the middle. There we go, grabbed it. You can move them to the middle. Alright, the left bit will be for your name, the middle bit will be for how much threat you've got, and you get a nice little decorative bar as well. So let's just drag this down to the bottom here for the minute and adjust the size. Right, that's covering the chat window. Not an issue at all. Alright, what you need to do is right click this. If it is locked, click this button here and unlock it. Alright, if it's already unlocked like my one is here, alright, just move it wherever you like. Alright, say here for example. Alright, let's tidy it up against the left if you like. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so say this will do actually, I think. Alright, and then you can right click and lock that window. Alright, and that's now locked in place. Okay, right, next thing for yourself to do, alright, is to sort out your bars at the bottom. You'll notice that they're all in the wrong place if you've assigned multiple bars beforehand. Type in the bottom /CT, or you can click it from this window here as well. Okay, but if you just type it in, that's what I do, it's just easier. Okay, bar mod. Right, once you click that, you'll notice all hell breaks loose. Okay, not a big problem. Okay, drag these bars to where you want them. Alright, so you can drag that one up. You can drag this one up a little bit as well. Don't worry about overlapping spaces at the moment. That's not a worry at all. Alright, in this particular case, this one's already got my keybounds assigned. Alright, it's the second bar. Right click on it and that will change its alignment. So in this case we want it to the left. Get rid of this one. Alright, move it over there. And let's draw this one in place. As you can see from this video, that's already got my keybind. Alright, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. My keybinds are this one here, Immolate would be 1, Shadowbolt 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, next one, at the minute is still set at 7. Alright, but at a later date we'll set that to G or T or something. This one here is default at the minute to T, and these are all Alt plus numbers 1 to 6. So to keep my interface how it was, let's move that across to here. Let's move that across to here. Just drag and drop these ones, simple as you like. Okay, back into the bar mod window then. Right, from here, okay, if you scroll down, okay, you'll find eventually, here we go, alright, a list of bars. Alright, so you can have bar 1 enabled. Alright, don't need that one though because that's your main action bar. Bar 2, that's the one we added. Bar 4, that's on the right. We don't need that one, we can remove that one. Bar 5, that's the one at the bottom, we can keep that one. Alright, so they all have lists, so we don't need bar 6, and we don't need bar 3. Okay, so they're all gone now. These ones are all extendable general purpose. Alright, if you have them all unticked, they won't be visible on your screen when you play. Okay, you do have a few other options on here as well. You can change pet bars and stuff. Alright, I will pre-warn you though, if you are a hunter, alright, you might want to go and get a separate pet bar add-on. Alright, because the Blizzard one, using this interface, does tend to bug out for a little bit. Alright, I've noticed that a little bit of my Shadow Priest, and it is a pain to get that set up properly. Alright, but you can adjust the options of that through Blizzard's own user interface options. Okay, while you're here, alright, it might as well guide you through the keybinds. Okay, this is your main action bar on this window, so you notice that you've got here 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left, alright, next to the name of the spell. Okay, and here you've got your second bar, bar number 2, this one here, alright, and your keybinds here are shown on the right. So in this one it's Alt and 1, alright, you'd press them together. Alright, you can left click to change the binding, okay, and right click to see binding 2. Okay, so in this case we click here, alright, and if we were assigning it, so in your case if you've not set your keybind, press Alt and 1 simultaneously, it will glow red, alright, and that means that you've done. Alright, and as you can see on the screen there, it says press enter to override, enter pressed, and that's been overridden. Okay, and then once you've done that, if you wanted to set this one up as Alt and 7, so Alt together, 7 together, it pops in the screen. Alright, and because you're not overriding this one, you don't have to press return. So if this is your new interface, you wouldn't have to press return in that case. Okay, right, a few other bits and pieces to do now. Alright, buff mod is next on the list. Okay, what this will do is show you the buffs. If you look at my videos again, alright, there's a big buff mod on your right hand side, okay, showing you exactly what buffs it is that's on your target at the moment. Okay, so in this particular case I don't think I've got any buffs I can cast. Yeah, I still have got an ending breath, so we can use that as an example. Right, now that we've got a buff on the list, here it is. Alright, that was actually the window that I just moved. Actually, it wasn't the sheet monitor. So move this up to the top right. Before you move it all the way in, let's amend it. Okay, so if you've clicked buff mod here, okay, what you can do is you can scroll down this window, okay, and you can change a few options. Lock window so that it can't be moved. Alright, you want that one at the end. Alright, not just at the moment, but just pointing that out for you. Okay, you can adjust the different borders, so you can show the border edge texture. There you go. You've now got a little border on the side of it. You'll be able to, somewhere on here, change the width of it. There you go. You can do that by dragging and dropping it anyway, to be honest with you. The icon size. I like mine to be a decent size, so that looks fair. Okay. So that will do us. Alright, we'll leave it as that for the moment. I don't think there's anything else that we really need to be worrying about changing on here for the moment, do we? There is somewhere here that says show name, so if you want to just have the picture or whatever, that's fine. What I'm looking for though is the show title, because I want to get that window 1 off there. I don't really want that on there, to be honest with you. There is a way in which you can do it, and it's just a tick box to do. So you can change the background colour if you want as well, so you can have it red for all we want. Right, we want to hide the title bar, don't we? Right, it'll be here somewhere. We'll find it, don't you worry. So many options on this to customise it, guys, so when you get on here, have a little flick through it. Okay, well at this time then I can't even find it, so you'll have to have a little flick through it, and then obviously you'll find it, having a little play around with it. At some point I'll be bound to come across it again, I should think, anyway. But not a problem. We shall leave that one for the time being then. So right, now we've done that bit, let's move that up to the top. So here you go, that'll do. Alright, from this point, obviously usually your buffs will populate below it, down to the bottom of the screen here, so don't put anything in this space of your screen, okay, because it will be overrun by your buffs. Okay, other than that, we now probably want to do the xperl setup. Alright, so open your chat window, /xperl, one word, return, okay, and yes, you've got more spam on your screen. Okay, first thing, your health bar is at the top left corner at this time at the moment, because that overrides where the Blizzard default one is. What you best do at the minute is press F1, alright, and that will target yourself. Okay, move your health bar to this position, alright, this is where I put it, next to sort of the mini-map sort of area, so my health will go there. The next one is my target, alright, so the thing I'm currently targeting to kill. Let's put that other side of the map, so let's say here will do for the time being, and this one is what the mob that you're currently targeting is targeting itself. So